Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set primary key in existing table in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and this is our database. So we are going to set primary key in existing table. So these are tables. Now you see browser, structure. So click on structure. Now you see name, type, collation, you see multiple option. So we are going to set primary key for this column award ID. Now select and then you see primary. So click on it, now loading, and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Now we make award ID primary key by using this option in existing table in PhpMyAdmin in database. So in this way you can set award ID or any other column primary key. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.